How can you use data to make your business more efficient, cost-effective, and adaptable? Welcome to Data Bytes, hosted by Kagool, where we cover all that and more. I'm your host for today, Chadi, part of the Data Analyst team here at Kagool, and this episode is all about how to start creating dashboard in Power BI. A Power BI dashboard is a collection of visuals. What is DAX? DAX stands for Data Analysis Expressions. It is a formula language. You can use DAX to define custom calculations for calculated columns and for measures. DAX includes some of the functions used in Excel formulas and additional functions designed to work with relational data and perform dynamic aggregation. DAX is used in analysis services, Power BI, and Power Pivot in Excel. The main difference between calculated columns and measures is that the columns are evaluated at each row, whereas measures are only evaluated at the subdivision level they are plotted at. Columns are calculated each time a data refresh is performed. On the other hand, measures are calculated at each visual interaction, which means that unlike measures, column values are not responsive to filter selection or parameters. Once measures and calculated columns are ready for usage, you can then create a visual and drag an item from the Field tab and drop it in the appropriate section. Thanks for watching Data Bytes with Chadi Ghosn, hosted by Kagool. We hope you enjoyed our dive into how to create a dashboard in Power BI. If you like this episode and want to help support the series, please share it with your friends and colleagues. And if you'd like to stay up to date on what we're up, follow Kagool on LinkedIn. That's it for now, and see you next time.